Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, trip odometer, power brakes, clock, cargo area light, airbags, front stabilizer bar. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.